Warm welcome to all. In this video, I will try to explain what is requirement of developer and which platform is good to run C++ programs. To become a developer, you have to discover the necessary skills, qualification, tools and softwares. If tools or softwares are open source, automatically application becomes more popular. That's why first need of developer is open source. Nowadays different tools, editor and compilers are available in market. If developer can use all these things on one platform, it's beneficial. And this is also second need of developer is integrated development environment or short form IDE. Definition of an integrated development environment is software for building application that combines common developer tool into a single graphical user interface. This can prove to be an extremely useful tool when coding uses various languages for many reasons. Examples of different IDEs include Eclipse, Visual Studios and NetBeans. Each IDE has its own strengths and weakness. Code Insight is one of the most helpful tools that an IDE can provide, which is the ability for the programmer to interrupt what is typed out. The program can change text color to represent different classes, functions and variables. Microsoft Visual Studios refers something called IntelliSense that can also predict that you are typing out and finish your words for you. Other IDEs offer a similar tool called something proprietary to their program. Another feature to IDE is the ability to debug your program. This is arguably one of the most important tools to deploying a successful program. Testing is crucial to make sure that your user does not experience an incident where the code has not handled a specific error and crash the program. Debugging provides you with the ability to run through the program, stopping the code at specified points to check values of variables or other interest as needed, to verify that code and functions are running as intended. Please make an important note that when writing a new program, there are usually many different files that have reference in specific path location. So it is very important for the running of program that these files are in the correct location. Using an IDE makes it easy to see a visual representation of location of these files and makes it more understandable for the user. This is a quick summary for advantages and disadvantages of IDEs. Now it's time to start working on IDE platform for C++ to experience all these cons and pros. So the IDEs available for C++ is CodeBlock. In next lecture, we will learn how to download and install code blocks for C++. Thank you.